Good afternoon to all. Today we are going to discuss about one of the very important topic, that is Newton's formula for speed of the sound waves in air. Okay. Newton's formula for speed of sound waves in air. Okay. According to Newton concept, Sir Isaac Newton assumed that when sound waves passing through the air medium, the formation of compressions and rarefactions is the slow process, one of the slow process. So it is isothermal in nature. Isothermal in nature. That is, during compressions, heat is produced. That means pressure increases, volume decreases. At the same time, during rarefaction, pressure decreases, volume increases. That means Newton assumed that the process takes place when sound waves passes through the medium is a isothermal in nature. Isothermal in nature. That means assumed that temperature of the air medium is a constant. Temperature of the air medium is a constant. So at this situation, air molecules, it is a ideal gas. It is a ideal gas. At the same time, at this situation, this air molecules obeys Boyle's law. Which one? Boyle's law. Okay. This is compressions, this is rarefactions. Isothermal in nature and Boyle's law. Keep in your mind these three words. Okay. Now, according to mathematics, PV is equal to constant. PV is equal to constant. What is meant by P? Pressure, and V means volume. So PV is equal to constant. Okay. On differentiating this equation, we can written as P dV plus V dP is equal to 0. On differentiating constant, now we get 0. Okay. Or P dV is equal to minus V dP. Okay. Or P is equal to minus V dP by dV. Okay. P is equal to, it is equal to B, or we can written as B suffix T. Here BT means isothermal bulk modulus of air. What is meant by BT? Isothermal bulk modulus of air. Okay. Then already we have discussed about velocity of the sound waves in a elastic medium. I think regarding equation number 11.6. See your book. Take and see. Come on fast. What? Very good. V is equal to root of B by rho. I am correct or not? Yes. V is equal to root of B by rho. So from this equation, we can written as Vt or generally taking as V, no problem. Okay, is equal to root of B by rho. B by rho, okay. Or Bt, we can written as Bt, no problem. Okay, already Bt value calculated, I am correct or not? Bt is equal to, we can written as T. So V or Vt is equal to P by rho. P by rho. Okay. What is meant by here P? Yeah, pressure of the air at NTP. What is meant by NTP? Normal temperature pressure. Very good. At NTP. Normal temperature pressure. Okay. What is meant by rho? Very good. Density of air. Density of air. Its value 1.293 kilogram per meter cube. How do you write the unit for this? Yes, very good. Density is equal to mass by volume. I am correct or not? Unit for mass, kilogram. Unit for volume, meter cube. I am correct or not? Yeah. Density of air, rho is equal to 1.293 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Then we want to calculate the value for P also. Okay. So what is meant by P? Pressure of the air at NTP. NTP means normal temperature pressure. Okay. It is equal to 76 centimeter of mercury. What is meant by mercury? Very good. Hg. So P is equal to 76 centimeter of Hg. At the same time, we have one formula for pressure. It is equal to P is equal to H rho G. H rho G. Basic formula for pressure. Okay. Then P is equal to H 76 centimeter. No. In meter. How much? Yeah, very good. 0.76. 0.76. Here rho means density of mercury. Its value 13.6. G value what? Acceleration due to very good gravity. Its value you are very good 9.8 meter per second. Second square. Okay. Okay, 0.76, 13.6 into 9.8, it's unit meter per second square. But general unit for pressure, how do you write? Pressure is equal to force by area, no? For force, Newton. For area, meter square. Very good. So, finally we can written as Newton per meter square. Clear? That's all. We know that P value and rho value, yeah, substitute directly in this formula. Now we get velocity of the air. Okay. So V is equal to root of P by rho, no? Yeah. Root of P value 0.76 into 13.6 into 9.8 divided by its value, right? 1.293. Okay. After simplifying this term or this equation, now we get the value for velocity of the air. Velocity of the sound, not air. Velocity of the sound in air. Velocity of the sound in air. Now we get it is equal to 280. Almost is equal to 280 meter per second. This is the velocity of the sound waves in air. Velocity of the sound waves in air. It is correct or not? Correct. No. Yourself? Wrong. Very good. This is not correct. Because experimental value, very good. Experimental value 332 meter per second. 332 meter per 1 second. That is the experimental value. This is theoretical value by Newton. This is wrong. So there is some error occurs between real value, that means experimental value, and theoretical value. How many percentage? How much error, sir? Come on, calculate yourself. Come on. How much percentage? Anybody? How do you calculate this? Yeah, come. Real value, that means experimental value 332. Theoretical value, this is theoretical value. So that is T, no problem. 280 by 332 into 100% is equal to, almost is equal to 15.6% or 16%. Okay, so 16% here error. This is not a small, large error. I am correct or not? Okay, so this error corrected by Laplace. Corrected by Laplace. So that is called a Laplace correction. Okay, come on. Laplace correction. Okay. So real value, that means experimental value for speed of the sound waves in air, almost corrected by Laplace. So that is called Laplace correction. Okay. So come here. Newton assumed when sound waves passing through the air, formation of compressions, pressing, okay, compressions and rarefactions, lags, is the isothermal process in nature. Okay, that is, according to him, that means according to Newton, temperature of the air medium is a constant. Because during compressions, heat is produced and pressure increases, volume decreases. Pressure increases, volume decreases. Because of pressure, no. Yeah, gap decreases. That means volume decreases, pressure increases. Heat is formed. And during rarefactions, lags, volume increases, pressure decreases. So it is a isothermal process in nature. So due to this reason, temperature of the air medium is a constant assumed by Mr. Newton. This is wrong. Because of, according to Laplace, air, it is a poor conductor. I am correct or not? Okay. So Laplace assumed that during these compressions, during these rarefactions, temperature is not constant in the air medium. Temperature is not constant in the air medium. So this process takes place during compressions and rarefactions. It is a adiabatic process in nature, assumed by Mr. Laplace. But according to Laplace, the process takes place in air. Yeah, very good. Adiabatic. But according to Newton, isothermal process. Come on. So, according to Laplace, adiabatic process in nature. Okay? Okay, come on. At the same time, here, air molecules obeys Poisson's law. But there, air molecules obeys, very good, Boyle's law. But here, obeys Poisson's law. Okay? So, according to mathematics, here, PV power gamma is equal to constant. PV per gamma is equal to constant due to adiabatic process. Okay. What is mean by here gamma, sir? Gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. Specific heat at a constant pressure, specific heat at a constant volume. Okay? Yeah. So here PV power gamma is equal to constant. Okay. On differentiating this equation, listen here. P gamma V power gamma minus comes down, power 1 decreases, and dV plus P gamma V power gamma minus 1 into dV plus V gamma and dP, okay, is equal to constant. On differentiating constant, yes, 0. Very, very interesting and full and full derivation type question. Okay, listen properly. Repeated question this. Repeatedly ask a question. That means repeated question in lot of examinations in the region of 5 marks. Okay, very, very important. 5 marks. Okay, so P gamma V power gamma minus 1 dV is equal to, and goes that side, minus V dP. Okay, V gamma is equal to minus V into dP. This comes down, so by V power gamma minus 1 into dP. Okay, simple questions. Then P into gamma is equal to, listen here, V, this is also V, so this is minus, so minus V power, this is gamma no here, yeah, here gamma, so comes here gamma and gamma, okay. So listen here, PV power gamma is equal to constant. On differentiating this equation, P comes down, P gamma V power gamma minus 1 into dV, okay, plus V power gamma into dP is equal to, on differentiating constant now it gets 0. So again P gamma V power gamma minus 1 dV is equal to, after the equal symbol comes here negative symbol, so V power gamma dP. That's all. Next, P gamma is equal to minus V power gamma dP by, it is constant, V power gamma minus 1 into dV. Okay, that's all. Next, minus, this is V, okay, power gamma into here plus, goes upside, yeah, comes minus, so minus of gamma minus 1 into dP by dV. Okay, there. P gamma is equal to minus, what is here? Yeah, very good. V power gamma, yeah, minus, it is inside, so minus gamma, minus into minus a plus, so minus gamma, minus into minus plus, so plus 1 into dP by d. Okay, this step very, very important. Just be careful at the time of writing in your examination during this equation. Okay, P gamma is equal to, see here, plus gamma minus gamma, plus and minus cancel each other. V power 1 dP by d. A power 1 means A, V power 1 means V, A power 0 means 1. Keep in mind, don't confuse each other. A power 1 is equal to A, but A power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so V power 1 is equal to, so P gamma is equal to minus V dP by dV. Okay, come here, come here. Yeah, come here quick. P P is equal to minus V dP by dV. I am correct or not? P is equal to minus V into dP by dV. Okay, it is equal to Bt. But here Bt means isothermal bulk modulus of air. Yeah, okay, come. Here also same expression repeated. Okay, here also same expression repeated. But this expression, this term, it is equal to B, but B suffix A. Okay, sir. What is BA? Yeah. Adiabatic bulk modulus. But there BT isothermal bulk modulus of air. Here BA adiabatic bulk modulus of air. Adiabatic bulk modulus of air. Okay. P gamma is equal to BA. Okay, sir. Again, borrow an equation. Okay. B, velocity of the sound waves through or in a elastic medium. Already borrow one equation from 11.6. I am right or not? Same thing here. Is equal to dA by rho. That's all. dA by rho. Okay. Next. Here V is equal to root of BA is equal to what? Very good. P into gamma by rho. So V is equal to root of P gamma by rho. P gamma by rho. Already discussed about the symbol for the meaning for P and meaning for rho also. Okay, here introduced one new symbol, gamma. Gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. Specific heat at a constant pressure. Cv means a specific heat at a constant volume. Okay. At the same time, air molecules contains nitrogen, oxygen, like this. That means diatomic molecules. Okay. So gamma value for this 1.47 for diatomic molecules. 1.47. Okay. Therefore, listen here. V is equal to root of P gamma by rho, no? So V is equal to, this equation we can split it as root of gamma into root of P by rho. Okay? What is gamma? 1.47. So root of 1.47 into root of P by rho. Already calculated, no? Yeah, very good. Very good. 280 meter per second. 280 meter per second. Taking root value for 1.47 and multiplied by this value, now gets 331 meter per second. Okay, this is the speed of sound waves in air according to Laplace. But the experimental value 332 meter per second. Yeah, it is 331 meter per second, no, 331 meter per second, no. It is almost is equal to experimental data. Okay. Any doubt? Come and see full and full. Again, see one by one. See one by one. Come on. See one by one. Fully. Final answer 331 meter per second. This is almost is equal to the experimental data corrected by Laplace. Okay, this is very interesting question now. Clear? Thank you.